How to delete your Telegram account permanently. If you want to delete your Telegram account permanently, simply launch the Telegram app. And from here, simply come to your settings tab. And from here, of course, just scroll down until you see the option called Telegram FAQ. Once I've expanded the Telegram FAQ page, you can see General Telegram Basics. Just scroll down until you see your account. So here you can see your account. Under your account, one of the little options you'll find is to delete your Telegram account. So you have to tap on this option here that says delete your Telegram account. And when you do that, you're going to land on this page. It says if you'd like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So tap this deactivation page link, which will take you to a new web page again. Now, once you're here on this new web page again, you just have to be patient and wait. And once you're here on this page, just wait a couple of seconds. And once you're here, you simply have to enter your phone number in international format. So just go ahead and type in your phone number right here. And do not make sure to enter don't forget to make sure to enter the country code, because without your country code, it cannot verify your country and as a result cannot send you the code. So once you verify the number, you will get a code. Once you verify the code, your Telegram account will be successfully and permanently deleted. This way you can delete your Telegram account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.